New video review, and it's the new models: Saber class USS Yeager and the Romulan Bird of Prey from the original series. So first we'll start with the USS Yeager. Saber class was introduced in Star Trek First Contact, along with the Aquila class and the Steamrunner class, and I believe with one or two other ships. Generally kind of more tactical based, designed around combating the Borg. And this model has a lot of detail. Like detail here, if you can see it. There's detail here. Detail in the nacelles. Detail all the way around here, and there's detail just below, but I'm not sure if you can fully see it. I'll try and get something later now. There's a lot of detail. Oh. A Saber class by the name of the USS Da Vinci would play a prominent role in the Starfleet Corps of Engineer books, or Starfleet SCE for short, commanded by Captain David Gold, if I remember correctly. Don't know if those books are still going. It was nice to see the ship class get a more prominent role, and it was quite a beauty. It's a very small ship in comparison to a lot of the much larger ships like Galaxy class and the Aquila class. It was actually packed a bit of a wallop. A really nice model, very well made, a lot of detail. There's some light piping here in the bizarre collectors. It's just a really nice little model. Very well made. Well, I highly recommend it. Well, people should have their model coming in pretty soon, or maybe already have. Okay, now the Romulan Bird of Prey, introduced in the original series episode The Dove, if I remember correctly. If I'm remembering correctly, season 1. And in many ways, they were not a particularly powerful ship when you think about it. Their main weapon was the plasma torpedo, and the greatest asset was their cloaking device. But the cloaking device, they could just get close and cause as much damage as possible. But the plasma torpedo had a very limited range. So it was mostly it was their cloaking system that gave them the tactical advantage. And just like in the episode, and look at the amount of detail. It's got the Bird of Prey typograph there, if you can see it. The Buzzard collectors are a nice soft blue. There's not a huge amount of detail, which is to be expected really, considering that the original model was made in the 1960s, and the TV studio, well, they had budget limits, so they couldn't exactly go into full on detail like they could in later series. Still, what they managed was quite impressive. Very good model. Very reminiscent of the original model that was used in the series. It was used back in the original series. We'll see it be used again, I think. No, I don't actually. We saw it be used again. It's nice. Really, if you compare it to ships from a later series, the original series designs look so bland in comparison. Even though they're not, they're really quite beautiful. Quite a gracefulness to them. That's the way how limited budgets can be. They're both very impressive models, especially Saber Class. The amount of detail, really well done. Very excellent model. That's the new models, and they're very impressive. If you haven't got them yet, I'm sure you'll have them soon enough if you're a subscriber. If you're still looking for them in the shops, well, good luck. So that's this review done. This is Lena Watt signing off for another month.